when I was teenager कि they wanted to have a boyfriend, girls are having boyfriend. I'm kind of like I'm thinking that what is there in life, that what why am I here kind of. So always been weird. So तब मुझे बहुत लोगों को बहुत कि नूपुर ऐसी रहती है हमारे हम लोगों के साथ she doesn't participate in our those kind of girls talk, those kind of boyfriends kind of talk, other kind of talk. So I never felt, it's not a bad thing or good thing. I wouldn't judge anyone, neither me nor those people. But that's the way I was. I always thought of, taking my life to somewhere else, doing something. And another thing which actually inspired me is my mom. My mom was very, if a woman, definitely everybody loves their mother. But still, for me, my mother, see, I was in a village. There was no role model for me. I want to be like someone,
Yeah.
right? Ki, so that at that time, I saw my mom, actually, which I realized later, maybe few years ago, that my mom actually the most organized and disciplined person I have seen in my life. But at that time, it was any child is always, if mom is saying do this, do that, you feel like irritated. So it was for me as well. But what I noticed that she used to wake up in the morning very early after taking shower. She used to do all these, because we had Kul Devta, all these things, preparation for the puja, preparation for everything, then making breakfast, feeding everyone, then again changing her clothes, then making bhog for our Kul Devta, then if there is something non-veg, then we had different kitchen, making that, feeding everyone, cleaning, then going for at least 13 minutes nap, wake up and around 4 o'clock, cleaning the entire house, then changing her clothes, making herself presentable, then in the morning around after diya दिखाने के बाद वो आटा गोदना पूरा रोटी वोटी everything is finished by before 8, by 8:30 she's saying that okay, it's now dinner time. Like I felt like, and every day she used to do that every day. So मुझे लगा कि is this like, is she born for this? इसी के लिए मतलब वो जिंदा है कि बस रोज एक ही काम, जब से शादी हुई है, she was married at 16, जब से शादी हुई है तब से वो यही कर रही है.
Right.
क्या यही जिंदगी है? I felt, I never told her, but I felt the pain. Maybe that this is the thing she is born for. So my mom's situation I never told anyone, and this is maybe I never told in any other interview also कि कैसे हो सकता है कि एक ही चीज़ ज़िंदगी भर, तो उसके लाइफ का मतलब what is the purpose of her life actually, and that gave me a lot of pain, and I really wanted my mom to get out of that, at least to see the world, to see that there is a world outside of that. तो मैं खुद के साथ साथ मेरा जो मैं करना चाहती थी, that was taking my mom away from that and उनको दिखाना कि इसके अलावा भी ज़िंदगी है. तो मुझे लगता है कि everything, of course I was a restless child. I wanted to see the world, I wanted to explore the world. मैं दुनिया देखना चाहती थी, दुनिया spirituality को feel करना चाहती थी. लेकिन बचपन में आपको वो, even if you are spiritual, आपको वो अनुभव नहीं होता है कि what you are. तो मैं हर चीज़ के थ्रू उसको एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहती थी, लेकिन मैं अपने माँ को वहाँ से निकालना चाहती थी. तो वो मुझे लगता है कि वो दोनों फोर्स एक साथ होके मुझे घर से भागने में पुश किया, बहुत ज़्यादा किया. और
जब आप छोटे थे, मतलब जब आपने बोला स्वामी विवेकानंद को पढ़ा आपने, तो व्हाट वाज द वन थिंग दैट इंस्पायर्ड यू द मोस्ट उनके बारे में, जब आप उनके बारे में पढ़ रहे थे? तो
like the strength is inside you, and that is God.
Right.
you know. So he always emphasized कि believe in yourself. जो हम बोलते हैं आज आज भारत में हर जगह पे बहुत सारे पॉडकास्ट है, बहुत सारे लोग मैनिफेस्टेशन के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, लोग बोल रहे हैं कि ये करो वो करो, कुछ फैंसी स्पिरिचुअलिटी भी है। मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि कुछ ख़राब है, मतलब अच्छी बात है, ये होना भी चाहिए, लेकिन भारत के स्पेशली यंग जनरेशन को आप वो जो आज डिप्रेशन का प्रॉब्लम है, वो जो आप आज अपने आप को ढूंढने का जो प्रॉब्लम है, स्पेशली द यंग यूथ जेन जी भी इसको फेस कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर वो स्वामी विवेकानंद को पढ़ लेना तो अपने आप को ढूंढने में बहुत आसान, खुद को ढूंढना बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. तो that strength which is actually if you feel you can, you can actually, that will give you so much strength to your that thought that you can, and the moment you will feel no I can't, it will make you already you are on the side of losing, you know. तो आप अपने अंदर स्ट्रेंथ ढूंढना जो ऑलरेडी आपके अंदर है, बस उसको निकालना है.